Hello and welcome to my online e-portfolio that will detail my journey to becoming a pediatric PA. What you are currently looking at is the front page of my website, which is a simple welcome page with a title and a background image. Then once you scroll down, you'll see a headshot of myself as well as a brief description of everything that I plan to in this portfolio as I continue my education for my undergraduate degree into PA school. From this page, we can go to the top and see several different labeled bars. And when you click on the My Work tab, it takes you to this page which details about the blog that I've been working on for the past 2 months. When you click on the link titled My Blog, it redirects the page to my blog, which you can scroll and see all my prior postings. Now, when we go back to the website, we can change to the About page, and this has another headshot and details about my experiences, traits, and motives to becoming a great pediatric PA. Then from here, we can see the View My Resume button, in which when we click that, it opens up a PDF of my resume, which titles my experiences, my education, and my certifications, as I have been working towards getting into PA school. Now when we go back to the website, we can scroll back up and then we can click on the contact page. The contact page is something that I decided to include because as I was looking at other people's e-portfolios, it was a great asset to have, as people can contact you about any questions or inquiries they have about a medical position that they may be interested in hiring you for, or just other undergraduate students that may have the same professional wants that you do and want to get some advice. Then lastly, I have a page titled PA Workings, which since I'm not in PA school yet, I don't have any of the clinical datas or the didactic phase in which you're supposed to write down all of your notes while you're in the hospital and each of your clinical rotations. But I did go ahead and include the GRE prep plan that I'm going to follow. That's a 2-month study schedule in which it lists out each day-to-day what I plan to study and how I plan to get everything all in my head before the test day. And then there's the PANC prep plan, which is while I'm in PA school, this will be something that I'm going to use to follow in order to pass this class, which is to get my certification as a PA. And then down here, I went ahead and wrote future clinical work, in which I can attach all of my future clinical work that I plan on doing.